Welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Valia Bhatnagar and I'm with you with the area of AFM. Okay, everyone, first of all, the sale is going on. It would end soon. Hurry up and go on to our website or download our app and pick up our courses. At this point of time, they are available at 81% discount. Don't forget to use the code Y541, and as soon as you'll use the particular code Y541, you will be able to get 81% discount. So kindly check it out on our website or in our app for further details. Plus, share this particular session, please. Like this session as well as subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Okay, this was the basic thing. Now let's talk about the other points, everyone. Now, my first question for today would be, how's your preparation going on? Have you started looking forward towards your preparation in a stronger manner or not? ठीक है ना? That's the first and foremost thing that should be relevant, because ultimately the most important thing is, acha everyone, one more pointer. Psychologically this happens that maybe many of you would have been buying the courses right now, but to be very honest, just buying the course will not really help you. Being a faculty, I'm telling you why. Because if you buy the course and you're not doing your you're not attending the classes regularly, not practicing on a daily basis, not looking forward towards the solutions as well of the questions, matlab just looking at the particular classes, just like binge watching ki theek hai na, if I missed a particular class, then I'll watch 2 classes 3 classes together, which really doesn't work that way, because na each and every class is quite heavy. Your syllabus is not very small, or I would say it's very cut short wala syllabus. You have a very strong and a very lengthy syllabus, even for a commerce background person, right? So please make sure, if you're looking forward towards the classes, you are being totally honest towards your studies and doing it in the best possible way. Okay, otherwise it will become very difficult for you to do the particular questions. Okay, now done with the basic part. Let's look at the particular question. Acha, what is the specific question that we're talking about? Just removing one part there. This is a specific question of depreciation. The question says that a machinery was purchased for 50,000. Estimated life is 5,000. ठीक है. Estimated salvage value मतलब the money that you are left with after the utilization for a very long period, isn't it? Using the straight line method, you just have to use the straight line method. In this case, whatever your cost is minus the salvage value divided by the number of years. 50,000 minus 5,000 divided by, what are the number of years? 5. Everyone, what's going to be the answer? Everybody, what's going to be the answer in this case? Simple wala question. You just have to use cost minus salvage value. Okay, that is we're looking forward towards cost minus salvage value divided by the life of the asset. If it is for 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, whatever the time period is, right? Okay. Now the next point is the answer should be 50 minus 5 is 45,000. 45,000 divided by 5 gives you 9,000 rupees altogether. है ना? So in this case, can I say my amount is 9,000 rupees? Indeed it is. अच्छा नहीं. It should be 9 only. 5 nines are 45. The answer is 9. ठीक है? That's a mistake. Correcting it, and the correct answer is 9,000. Acha, next question. Okay, this is the next question. Just correcting it a bit. This is a question of So this is a question of units of production method. I think units of production method now I'll be dealing in the specific class in future because I wanted to cover the other topics today. So this particular question is a kind of homework. I'll be dealing with this question in the next class so that we can work upon other questions as well because this takes a little time. Units of production method is chaliye, let's see. An asset is purchased for 60,000 and has an estimated life of 5 years and no salvage value. Matlab nothing is left after all those years. In terms of units of production method, if the asset produced 10,000 units in the first year and 12,000 units in the second year, what is the depreciation expense of the second year? See, you purchase it for 60,000 and the number of units you can. So this question requires a little point there. The life of the asset is actually 5 years, but for unit of production method, there's one more thing that is required. The total number of units that can be produced in the lifetime of that particular thing. That part is missing there. Okay? So I have to skip this question because this is incomplete. Okay. Just a moment. Okay. The next question would be related to the area of TDS, TCS. TCS is what and what is TDS? TCS is tax collection at source and TDS is tax deducted at source. How do we define these two terms? So nothing much. TDS and TCS both are basically the reduction made on account of the fact that we are looking forward to payment from the income tax department. See, if you make any service to someone, for example, I provided professional service. I'm a professional, so I'm covered under. There's a section called 194J under TDS, which is covering this part. Okay, I provided professional solicitation. Matlab I was providing professional services to someone. So I gave him a particular service of 1 lakh rupees. Now, if I gave this service to someone and he is paying me 1 lakh rupees, now what will he do? He will utilize his TAN number, deduct TDS at the rate of 10%. Okay, that means he's paying more than the prescribed limit in this case. He is paying 1 lakh rupees to me, so he has to deduct 10,000 rupees. Out of the 1 lakh, he is paying me. Now this 10,000 would be given to whom? This 10,000 would be given to income tax department and telling कि पता है I have given this to PAN number so and so 1 lakh rupees, out of which I am paying 10,000 to the income tax department. Now when I'll file my return, I'll tell the income tax department पता है I got 1 lakh rupees from Mr. So and so, his TAN number was this, overall this is the person, and this 1 lakh is the income that you received. And you remember income tax department, 10,000 of tax is already paid to you. Huh? The income tax department will say, indeed, I remember that part. That's how we come to know about it. Now, in this case, what will happen is this is called TDS. You can claim that amount. Yes, this can be claimed in this case, but it cannot be claimed in case of tax collected at source. TCS is slightly different from TDS in the fact that you don't really get a relief out of it. But this amount is just collected at source and this amount is given to the income tax department. Under TCS, for online sales, matlab if we are making an online sales, 1% divided, tax divided between CGST and SGST. Simple, if it is CGST and SGST, na, then half of would go to each other. Basically, this is the basic problem which the states faced. Pata hai? When CGST was introduced, na, the GST was introduced rather. The states faced a very weird problem. They said you are killing all the specific sources of our income. The treasury was filled with light taxes that we were putting on people. Now you have removed all the taxes. How will we arrange our funds accordingly? The problem is genuine. So income tax the GST department said, whatever we are making within the state, half of it will go to you, half of it will go to the center. If it is between two states, it is better it goes to the center itself because it is central area. है ना? Plus, in case you need help, they are also providing compensation to the loss of revenue in terms of these states as well. Okay, but yes, this isn't the permanent solution. They're still looking for the solution, but it creates a little trouble. But that is how they say, if there's a GST na, then half and half would be done. It's never 0.25, 0.75, or one particular center or the state will get one more money. It is split into half and half. Okay, the next question, everyone. What is the purpose of tax collection? Everyone? Now, what is the purpose of tax collection at source under GST for online sales? Under GST for online sales to discourage online sales? No. To streamline tax collection and compliance, to reduce the GST rates for online transaction, or to exempt online from GST. If we wanted to, then we would have done that part. Okay. We don't want to make sure that it should not be imposed. Number two, when we talk about this specific scenario, we are looking forward to the collection. When you collect the tax from someone, you give their identity to the income tax department. Now income tax department knows, Hanji, this particular person gave money, he got money, he is supposed to give or get money, right? So all those things are known to them. So technically this is done to streamline tax collection and the compliance of the same. Done, everyone? Okay. B has accepted. So this is a question of bills of exchange. B has accepted the bill drawn on him by A. Which of the following statement is correct? A can endorse the bill, B cannot endorse the bill. A can endorse the bill, B cannot. मतलब B point and C point, and B can endorse the bill. अच्छा. A issued the bill, B said okay. He accepted the bill and returned it back. Now that means bill receivable is in the hand of A and bills payable is in the hand of B. What will they do? Simple. A will say that the bill receivable, in this case the amount is to be received. So what can he do? Simple. He can give it to someone else, he can transfer, or give it to the bank itself as well, है ना? So in this case only A has the right to endorse it. Nobody else has this specific thing. Then the answer is A can do that, but B cannot. Only A has the right. Then, under what circumstances that the drawer and the payee is the same person with reference to a bill of exchange? Drawer is the person who draws the bill. Original person was A, he gave the bill to B. B said okay, bills payable. A said okay, bill receivable. Now the point arises. Why? The point arises because the B is always the payer. He is supposed to pay. Now in this case they say under what circumstances the drawer and the payee, this is the payee if nobody else is, A will receive the bill, the payee will remain the same, है ना? In this case what's going to be the answer? See, ultimately if B is going to pay in any case, the payee and the drawer remains the same if he retains the bill, isn't it? If A retains the bill, when the drawer dishonors the bill, nope, payee is nothing there. The drawer holds the bill till the date of maturity. He endorses to the third party or banker. The one who gets the bill, to whom it is actually transferred, becomes the payee. If we keep the bill, then it is ours. So in this case, we can say that if we hold the bill till the date of maturity is covered here. What account will be created when discounted bill is dishonored? Drawee account, drawer's account, bank account, endorsee's account. What account will be credited when the discounted bill is dishonored? What account, everyone? Discount, acha, the bill is gone. In this case, the answer should be bank account. It should be debited actually. Acha, this is dishonored, na? Yes. Now we owe money to them. Now we owe money to them. Done, everyone? We are owing money to the bank, na? Okay. In this case, what's going to be the answer, everyone? The answer is bank, because we are going to return the money to the bank. Right? Next question. On 13/7/2024, withdraws a bill on Y for 25,000. This is for 30 days. Acha, the due date of the bill would be what? 13th of July. That means out of 31, 13 days are gone. How many days are left? 18 days of July and 12 days of August. Adding 3 days of grace. 18 days of July plus 12 days of August will make 30 days. Then you give grace days of 3. That makes 18 plus 12 plus this becomes 15th of August. But that's a general holiday, a public holiday, so it should be done on 14th. That's the day. And everyone, chaliye. I think this is the last question for the day, right? But before I end my session, everyone, let's look at one more question. If the due date of the bill falls on a public holiday, the date is already declared it's a public holiday. So what will we do? We will have 1 day before the due date. ठीक है ना? This would be 1 day before the due date. Then everybody, chaliye. Now, before I end the particular session, I hope you know our sale would be ending soon. So this is the perfect time. Go ahead and use the code Y541. Check out our website. This is our website, everyone. Go on to JAIIB and CIB area www.adda247.com. Go on to the area of JAIIB May 2024. Have the Mahapack right away. It is available at a discount of 81%. Revision batch, regular batch, everything included. Bilingual English medium, everything included. Validity is for 12 months. So a good time for you to look forward towards our courses, everyone. So that's it for the day. I'll be meeting you in the next class. Please check it out on our website or in our app for further details, everyone. Go ahead and buy it and use the code Wi-Fi for one. Thank you.